Dear soulmates, a very good day to all of you and a great week ahead. Today, I just thought I'll share a few experiences of mine, which would be definitely useful to you. And I'm also trying to come out with a program for this weekend. The subject is all about the difficulties. We have heard difficult people create difficult situations. So most of the training we are trying to design, develop. I'm talking when I mean the overall worldwide. Also, you can really look at. We are just trying to do problem solving methodologies where we identify the problems and try to solve it. But here is one small thought that triggered in my mind that why to create a problem and after spend a lot of time, money, energy and effort on solving them. Rather, can we think about something called problem preventing skills? The problem preventing skills will be pointed towards those difficult people. By nature, nobody is difficult. Let's try to understand this, at empathy level. Nobody is really want to be very difficult. But here the real problem is, they have some difficulties deep within, but there is a fear of getting exposed, not expressing, getting exposed, of these difficulties. They try to put a mask on them and artificially try to do something or the other to balance with the external environment. But deep within, if you really look at, probably many would accept also, like how long this artificiality can sustain, number one. Number two, artificial flower can never give any fragrance. It may look beautiful, but there is no life in it. Let us try to understand what sort of difficulties everybody is facing. Now, it is very difficult for us directly to do that, but how we can try to see, or how we can try to observe or identify individuals are going through difficult times, what sort of difficulties they are going. This can be easily understood by the way of their behaviors, time to time behaviors, and task to task behaviors, and situation to situation behaviors. Once we try to understand that yes, this person is going through some kind of a difficulty based on their behaviors and based on their external outputs, probably the leaders and the HR and everybody can try to support them and try to come out of the difficulties. So once anybody who is just trying to mentor them and try to help them to come out of the difficulties, the loyalty quotient of those particular individuals and particular team will actually enhance and improve. This will create a greater impact on their productivity. Hope this point may appeal to you. My request is, if it appeals to you, accept it. If not, reject it. But please do not ignore it. I will be sharing the program details that I am scheduling by next Sunday around 11 a.m. to 1 a.m. Like last Sunday, it was a great session. There were a lot of good participants and there were a lot of interactions happened on the DEI concept. This is in follow-up with the DEI concept, which I am just trying to design. Wish you share with your employees and try to give them the best benefits as possible from your end. Thank you. Thank you.